Track record matters in leadership. Boniface Mutisa Musambi, aka Seven Zau, continues to champion development through pushing for 3,000 plus title deeds in Miambani, Huduma Center, better roads from Kwangindo, Musefe Miambani, Kivio Kamandeo to Mwingi West, education sponsorship for over 1,889 students, electricity and security, support for the needy and empowerment of the women, men and youth welfare groups, among other development initiatives. Leadership is about service, action and results.
Kuisila Musambi na Ruto ningwati yeta ito ditisiendu ngili tatu na ningu mwete ni munenge.
Ila si kilasi no mundi si usoma sikweka diploma, certificate, nisiana ngili umwe maana nyanya na miongo nyanya na kenda.
Barabara ya kutoka kwa Ngindo ifike Museve, ifike Miambani, ikuje Kiviu, ikuje Kamandeo, ingie Mwingi West, iwekwe lami kabisa.